So today, since it's a Christmas month, we'll do a no-bake cheesecake. So here we'll prepare the base first. For this we need biscuits and we'll crush them in the crusher. So these are the digestive biscuits and it has less sugar. So we'll use this as a base, which will have a crunch. So here we are making a 1 kg cheesecake. So now we'll add some caster sugar to it and 75 gram of melted butter to make a proper base. And we'll mix it properly. So the butter used here is salted butter. So now we'll pour it on the cake board and we'll flatten it up to get a proper and even base. So since we have used butter in this, it will set properly and it will taste amazing. Since it's a no-bake cake, we'll just set it up for some time, chill it, and then we'll put the next layer. So our base is ready and we'll put it in the fridge for setting. Minimum 30 minutes we need. So while the base is getting ready, let's get started with the next layer. We'll mix the cream cheese. So this is approximately 500 grams. So here we are using the hand whisk to whisk the cream cheese and make it soft and fluffy. In between we'll scrape out the corners to mix it evenly. You can see we have got a smooth texture, and the next step is to add some icing sugar depending on the taste. Here we are using 250 grams. So this we'll do in batches. So now the final batch of icing sugar. So this is the cream cheese and the sugar. The sugar has mixed well. Now let's add the other ingredients to it. Next we'll mix in the vanilla extract. And again we'll mix it well. Now we'll add the lemon juice to the mixture to get that tangy flavor. Now we'll add the hunker to our mixture and again we'll mix it well. So this is a smooth batter we have got. So now the final step, we'll add some whipped cream to it and we'll fold it. We'll not mix it, we'll fold it. We have to make sure it mixes well. So our cheese mix is ready and we'll put it for setting. So next step is we'll make some strawberry compote with fresh strawberries, since strawberry is in the season and definitely it's Christmas, so we'll use strawberries. So we'll add some water and the chopped strawberries and some caster sugar for the sweetness. So here we are not adding any artificial color or flavoring. We'll use it as it is, the natural form. So we have to cook it unless it gets thickened. We can make blueberry cheesecake, you can make compote of blueberry, then you can even add Nutella and all for Nutella cheesecake, chocolate ganache for chocolate cheesecake. There are a lot of options. And right now the Biscoff is in trend. So definitely we can have a Biscoff cheesecake. The flavor comes with strawberry or blueberry. These are the best options since it's tangy and we need to have something tangy on top. So our compote is ready, and at the end we'll add some lemon juice to it to get the proper sweetness and sourness, and make sure we always add in the end. So let's put this in the fridge for chilling. So this is our strawberry compote made with fresh strawberries. So our base is set, chilled. Now we'll put the batter, the cream cheese. And we'll spread it evenly all over. So we have to spread it evenly all over. So this we'll put it in the fridge for setting for minimum 6 hours. We have to set it because we have not used any gelatin to it. So let's put it in the fridge. So this is our set cheesecake ready to be demolded. Let's start. So this is the cheesecake. Now we'll pour the compote on the top. And then we'll add some more fresh strawberries. So it's ready.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.